Hey everyone, this is Vikas and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we are going to talk about a little bit, interesting project that I have just started working on. So that is a robot hand. Yeah. So this looks cool and it little creepy because if you can relate it with a human finger, it would be something like this one. So yeah, it looks like an alien type of finger. So it is not that dexterous as compared to our art because we can do a lot of things and there are a lot of research happening in this field of robot hand because this is the part which is going to be part of a humanoid, and that humanoid need to work on the environment where human could manipulate objects and do all those the complex chores and tasks and all those kind of things. So this is the field where a lot of research have been happening, and I definitely want to try it out by myself because I'm very curious to know as much as possible about robotics field because I love robotics. So here I am using the wave shear servo motors. So these are ST3215 servo motors. So the special thing about this motor is that it could give you the feedback. So if you have seen the normal servo motors like this one, so this is NG90S. So they are very affordable, they are cheap and very reliable also. So these are very easy to use also. So we just need to connect it to a microcontroller and we can send the PWM signal and we can control the angle of it. So the main problem of this kind of servo motor is that they do not provide you the feedback. So the feedback is something very important if you want to go on real robotics, because if I want to put this entire model on an ISEC sim or ISEC lab, then I need to get the feedback in order to manipulate or in order to have my robot an intuition of what he is or what my robot is actually doing there. So each joint needed to get a feedback about either its speed, torque, or the position or the degree it has been moved on. So this is where this kind of servo motor play a big role in robotics sectors also. So this servo motor provide you the current, voltage and speed, torque, and even the position data, whatever the degree it is at that point. So this is where this project required this motors. So none of this project has been sponsored by any of this company, and that is what I want to clear here. Everything here is funded by myself. Nothing has been funded by anyone. So this cost me a lot, and each of this motor I think cost around 1900 or something, like 2000 or something. So it is really cost, and they also come up with a lot of extra features, like if you can see here. So if I would I could show you here that the number of wires here is less compared to if I go with this kind of servo motor. I need to get each one of this wire from each one of this motor and connect to a microcontroller and then control it. And using this number of wire will make the entire project so much fuzzy and very complex to handle in a or debug and all those kind of things. So what this kind of motor have is the best thing is about they could have a daisy chain like configuration. So if you can see here, like this end motor is connected to the next motor using the another the pin configuration or the pin connector here. So they are actually sending the data from one to another using the ID numbers. So each one of these servo motors or each one of this serial bus motor got a particular ID, a unique ID, which we can assign using using their app, or there is an inbuilt library over there. You can also change the ID. So I have assigned each one of them their particular unique ID. And if I send, let's say for example, if I send ID number 1 to move 90 degree, then only the ID number 1, whichever one of them is here, would move to that particular degree. So this is another best feature about it. And the number of wires is very less and less meshy compared to the normal servo motor. We will be open sourcing everything here on the YouTube channel on the second part actually. So the main purpose of making this project here is I want to put a real project in YouTube community. I don't want to work on those the kiddie project, like working on just an Arduino or ESP32 or making some basic project. I understand they are the fundamentals and basic building blocks for everyone to learn about it. Even I started from there, but I definitely want to change the the YouTube community videos to be something better and something advanced and that is required by the industries actually on the current scenario or the current robotics industry. So I definitely want to put some little impact there, and I am on my final semester and doing everything here with the assignments and this classes and all those kind of things. So managing everything is little tough. So this is where I definitely require your support and all. So if you are liking my contents and if you really want to learn this kind of project and try to build this kind of project, then definitely do subscribe my channel. So I have made an ASMR type of project, like assembling everything, making the CAD model, 3D printing everything there. So you can enjoy the entire video. this is all about this video, and next video we'll be going with the electronics and the software part. So it will be in two parts. So this is part one. In second part we'll be controlling it everything here, and yeah, so see you on the next video. I am Vikas and I love robotics.